Hey everybody, welcome back. So today, we're gonna remake a classic here. Here we have the watermelon. Got various shades of green, lighter to darker, and like a red, sometimes pink flake that usually goes in. Usually found in soft baits, but we're gonna have a little fun with it today and we're gonna make our own version. So, we're gonna use a lipped bait. I know we haven't seen a lipped bait on this channel for quite some time here, but I figure this shape is gonna really lend itself to what we're trying to achieve, and yeah, let's start getting at it. So I think what we'll do today is we'll start with the back. Now I've already painted a white base coat, hope you don't mind, and I've already mixed up a few of the colors. So you can see the colors we have here. First color we're going to use is going to be 10 drops of yellow, 2 drops of green light. And we'll give it a little stripe down the back. Okay, so if we can see here, it's not a perfect spray on the gill plate. So we have a little bit over top, a little bit of fuzz around the side here. That's by design, and that's going to make more sense kind of once we get more colors on here. But we do want to have that little bit of light haze around there, just when we add extra colors, and hopefully it's going to blend in quite nicely. Make it look a little more natural. Okay, next we have just some pieces of tape to go along the gill plate. Okay, next color we have 15 of green light, golden green light, 2 of sap green. Took the cap off the end. Okay, next up we have 5 drops of the Jacquard bright red, 10 drops of the golden titanium white. Let's put some ribbon in I think it's a crochet ring. I'm sure someone will correct me if it's wrong. Crochet ring. And I used the negative from the tape we had before. Always keep the negatives. Placed it in. Keep the focus on the lure. Here we go on the camera. Perfect. Now, most of the time, I'm pretty focused on keeping ribbons and whatever stencils nice and tight to the lure, keeping it so there's no underspray and everything else. For this, I do want underspray. Watermelons do have a bit of a veining pattern to them, but it's not throughout the entire thing. So we're going to just do lots of layers using a similar ribbon, and we're just going to kind of fill in the gaps here. So just kind of keep it close to the top, give yourself a little bit of white in between the pink and the green. Okay, next color is going to be 18 drops red, 11 white, 4 orange. Take the same kind of ribbon, clean up my finger a little bit there before I go touching the lure and putting paint where I don't want it to go. Same ribbon. We're going to fold this kind of in thirds. All right. And basically just kind of keep going over it. It's okay that we're going to lose some of the veining. But what we're going to lose in veining, we're actually going to gain with this. I'm sure you can see, I'll zoom in a little bit. How it kind of gets a bit cloudy in here. And that's what we want. And basically you're just going to keep going over it. More focus on the bottom when it comes to the consistent colors. There. Let's do the other side and then we'll do the throat as well. It's all going to be the same thing, so I'll just come back for the next step. Okay, last color for the body is going to be 30 drops red, 12 white, 10 orange. And all I'm going to do is just take this like craw type stencil that I have and simply place it in various parts of the body. Right. And all this does is, I've just noticed that in watermelons there's usually these really solid lines that go through the watermelon, and we're simulating that here. It's not a perfect system. Okay. Okay, let's get our eyes. Just some sepia in the brush. We're gonna go dark because I want them to look kind of like seeds. What I like about this golden sepia is that even though you put tons of paint on it, you can still see a bit of that hologram underneath. Big fan. We'll let those dry and then we'll plug them in. And there we have our watermelon lure. Alright, just put some clear coat on it and we'll have a look at it afterwards. Alright, here we are. Clear coat's on. Here we have our watermelon. I'm pretty pleased with how that turned out. You can still kind of see that pupil still in the eye there. Yeah, I like it. Okay, so thanks so much everybody for watching this far. Hope you like it. Let me know what you think of this lure. I like it. I think it's something different. And what else do you want to see? I mean, I'm at, last check, 129 subscribers now, which is amazing. Blows my mind. But I don't know. I kind of want to see how big this can get. So give me some suggestions. What do you want to see? Please like, comment, subscribe, share, and other than that, we'll see you on the next video. Okay, thanks, bye.